Hey everybody, it's been a long time, but I'm here. I'm doing an unboxing. I'm very excited because I have not seen one of these in a while. Everything's been so digital, but here I am. I got my book out here too. Got this came in the mail for me, yay! So, I'm gonna do an unboxing. Sharp knives, right? Me and sharp knives. Anybody knows me, you know that's a dangerous thing. After all these years, me and sharp instruments do not agree. So, I'm so excited. So excited. It's been a long 18 months, right? It's been a while. We have not been able to travel. Not like we want to. I mean, if you've been following me, you know that I've done 2 test cruises in the past month. I've done a Royal Caribbean test cruise. I did a Norwegian test cruise. Back in March, I went to the Dominican, and then I just came back from Cancun, and at the end of the week, I'm getting ready to go to Bermuda to go on a Viking river cruise, so I'm real excited about that. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at these. These are awesome. So, how to get my travel planner, you guys. I'll leave a link in the box. Sign up. All the discounts, all the different vacation packages, places to go, people to see. I mean, it's been a long 18 months. What's your comeback trip gonna be like? Come on. I'm ready to go. I am totally ready to go. All the new ships. This is all the latest ships. They're in here. So I have all these magazines. If you want one, I can send you one. Or I can drop one off to you. That'd be probably more like it that I'll do. But let me know. Send me a link. All right, and look for the Viking. I haven't posted my videos yet for Norwegian. I did for Royal Caribbean, but I haven't for Norwegian. I was gonna do a comparison of the two, but things have changed since I went on Royal. So, you know, it's constantly changing. And the thing is, if you're not booking with a travel advisor, who's there to tell you, hey, things are changing. You want to do this. Your dates, your protocol dates have changed. You know, you now need to get your COVID testing. You now need to get this. Everything changes constantly. So it's very important to have someone in your back pocket to advise you, to let you know. So give us a call. We're more than happy to help.